The very plant-based, sugar-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, egg-free Bobotie. Hi, it's me, Ursula, and today we are celebrating Heritage Day with a Bobotie recipe. Although this is not really a traditional Bobotie recipe, it's completely plant-based. During the past few years, I've grown with many intolerances, which means that I've had to redevelop the Bobotie recipe to still be able to eat it and enjoy a taste of good South African heritage. So first things first, you chop your onion. Chop, chop. Super easy when you wear contact lenses because your eyes don't burn. So now that the onions are chopped, I boil them in water because I don't cook with any oils. Heated oils in my digestive system doesn't make any sense. A bit of water, then it takes out all the gas. You don't make no gas. Little trick. Effectively, Bobotie is like a spiced meat. So these are the spices that we're gonna use in our vegetable base. We have a bit of cumin, cinnamon, mustard seeds, coriander, bay leaf. For the next step, we're gonna substitute the mincemeat with mushrooms. So we'll chop them finely, and that'll be like the minced curry spice that we're going for. So the next key ingredient to Bobotie is the sweetness. So all the sugar and the sultana, we're substituting that with 1 carrot and an apple to give some sweetness. Depending on how many people you're cooking for, if you're making a big dish, more like 2-3 people, you can ration how many carrots and apples you want to put in.
Bring your sweet loving, bring it all home to me. Yeah, 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 yeah. I know.
Now that we have the veggies going on a very low heat, it's gonna steam in its own waters. I'm gonna put the Happe Earth People pasta on. Yes, of course it gets some Happe Earth People pasta. 100% chickpeas in a pasta form. And this is the protein base. Boil for 6 minutes and then it's ready. I love easy cooking. This is my life. And voila. So nobody should be deprived of sharing their heritage, whether you have food intolerances. So if you've decided to be plant-based or gluten-free, sugar-free, dairy-free, egg-free, have a delicious Heritage Day. Bobotie or Bobotie.